You ever feel like you're doing everything right? You're working, you're earning, you're trying to save, but somehow your financial life just isn't moving? Like you're stuck on the same level, month after month, year after year. And the scary part? It's not because you're making a huge mistake. It's because you're missing a few small shifts that could completely change everything. If that sounds like you, that's literally where most people are right now. I spend way too much time thinking about the simple shifts that can completely change your financial trajectory. Because most people believe that building wealth requires big moves, huge investments, massive income jumps, perfect timing. But that's not how it actually works. Real financial change comes from small, consistent shifts that compound over time. So if you're someone who feels stuck, stagnant, or worried about your finances, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today we're breaking down the exact shifts that can take you from stuck to building real momentum. Section 1. Shift number 1, from spending leftovers to investing first. Here's the first shift, and it's a big one. Most people do this. Earn, spend, save what's left. Wealth builders do this. Earn, invest, spend what's left. That one flip changes everything. Let's say you earn $3,000 per month. If you wait until the end of the month to save, you might end up with $100 or nothing. But if you invest $300 immediately, at 8% annually for 20 years, that becomes roughly $176,000. Same income, different systems. Here's what most people don't realize. If you don't prioritize investing, it won't happen. Spending is emotional. Investing is intentional. And whatever is emotional usually wins, unless you design a system that flips the default. Section 2. Shift number 2, from short-term thinking to long-term vision. Most financial decisions are made based on how we feel today, but wealth is built based on how things play out over time. Example, skipping a $5 daily habit doesn't feel important, but $5 per day equals $150 per month. Invested at 8% for 25 years? That's about $140,000. Now you might be thinking, so I can't enjoy anything? No, that's not the point. The point is awareness. This is where it gets really interesting. Small decisions feel small at the moment, but they're massive over time. Section 3. Shift number 3, from income focus to wealth focus. Here's a common mistake. People obsess over income. How do I make more? But they ignore wealth. How do I keep and grow more? Example, someone earning $5,000 per month saving $1,000 is in a better position than someone earning $10,000 and saving $500. Here's what most people don't realize. Income creates opportunity, but behavior determines outcome. More income often leads to more spending. It's called lifestyle inflation, and if you're not aware of it, it cancels out your progress. Section 4. Shift number 4, from passive consumption to active awareness. Most people don't track their money, not because they can't, but because they don't want to. Why? Because tracking forces you to confront reality, and that can be uncomfortable. But here's the truth. You can't improve what you don't measure. Example, if you're leaking $300 per month on random expenses, that's $3,600 per year. Invested over 20 years? That's over $170,000. This is where it gets really interesting. Awareness alone can change behavior. Section 5. Shift number 5, from fear of investing to understanding risk. A lot of people avoid investing because they're afraid of losing money, and that fear makes sense. But here's the problem. They ignore a bigger risk, doing nothing. Example, if your money sits in cash earning 1%, and inflation is 3%, you're losing 2% every year. Here's what most people don't realize. Playing it safe can actually be risky. We fear visible losses, but ignore invisible ones. Section 6. Shift number 6, from all or nothing to consistency. People think, I'll start investing when I have more money, or I'll do it when everything is perfect. But that mindset keeps you stuck. The truth? Consistency beats intensity. Every time. Example, $200 per month at 8% for 30 years? That's about $300,000 plus. Not because of how much, but because of how long. This is where it gets really interesting. The hardest part isn't starting. It's staying consistent. Section 7. Shift number 7, from environment by default to environment by design. Your environment shapes your behavior, more than you think. If everyone around you spends impulsively, you'll normalize it. People around you invest and think long-term, you'll start doing the same. Here's what most people don't realize. Wealth is partly a social habit. Humans adapt to their environment, so if you don't design it, it will design you. Section 8. Shift number 8, from comfort to intentional discomfort. This one is important. Growth is uncomfortable. Saving is uncomfortable. Investing is uncomfortable. Delaying gratification is uncomfortable. But comfort has a cost. Example, spending now feels good, but it trades future freedom for present comfort. Now you might be thinking, do I have to sacrifice everything? No, but you do have to choose intentionally. This is where it gets really interesting. Temporary discomfort creates long-term freedom. Section 9, shift number 9, from random actions to a system. Most people approach money randomly. Save here. Spend time there. Invest sometimes. Wealth builders use systems. Simple system. Automatically invest a fixed percentage. Keep expenses below a certain threshold. Increase investments when income grows. Why it works? Because systems remove emotion. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need more discipline. You need better systems. None of these shifts are dramatic. They don't feel life-changing at the moment. But stacked together, they completely transform your trajectory. A simple comparison. Person A invests first, thinks long-term, tracks money, stays consistent. Person B spends first, thinks short-term, avoids tracking, waits for the perfect time. 10 years later, the difference is massive. Here's what most people don't realize. Your financial future isn't shaped by one big decision. It's shaped by small choices, repeated daily. And the good news? You don't need to fix everything. You just need to start with one shift. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one shift from this video and apply it today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Drop a comment below. Which shift hit you the hardest? And what are you going to change? If this helped you see money differently, hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.